Hi students, good morning. Now the derivative of root of sin x. Now we have the derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of, if it is a function of x, f of x is equal to 1 by 2 root f of x into derivative of f of x. Derivative of f of x. Like this is the function of derivative of root x. This is not x, this is sin x. So this is of the form derivative of root x is what? 1 by 2 root sin x into derivative of, we treat as sin x becomes x into derivative of this part, that is sin x. Now this is it. In this two functions are there. First one is root x form, second one is sin x. So derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x into derivative of sin x, that is 1 by 2 root sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So this is the answer. Next one, derivative of root of sin of root x. Now this is first function root x form, second function sin x form, third function again root x. So here there are three forms. One is root x, second one is sin x, third one is root x. Now, so derivative of root x equal to what? 1 by 2 root sin of root x into derivative of sin function, derivative of sin of root x. That is 1 by 2 root sin of root x. Derivative again, this is what? First function is sin x, second function is root x. So this is of the form sin x form, sin x but not x. Derivative of sin x is what? Cos x into derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So this is angle. Now 2 2s are 4, 1 by 4 into root x into root of sin of root x into this is cos of root x. So this is the answer. Now same model problems, you try problems. Derivative of tan of root x. Derivative of root of tan of root x. Derivative of tan of e power x. Next one, derivative of tan of a power x. Derivative of secant cube x. Derivative of cosecant power 5x. Derivative of log of 2x plus 3. Now we have to find the derivatives of all these functions. Next one. So you know the derivative of sin cube x. This is what? D by dx of sin x whole cube. So this is just like x to the power of n, x power n, but not x. This is sin x. So treat as this is x, n into x power n minus 1 into this is what? Sin x. But you can take this as sin x into derivative of this function, derivative of sin x. So there is no direct formula for sin x whole cube. So this is of the form x to the power of n, n into x power n minus 1 into derivative of sin x. That is equal to, so this is 3 into sin square x into derivative of sin x is cos x. If you take derivative of cos power 4x is equal to what? This is d by dx of cos x whole power 4. Cos x whole power 4. This is n into cos x whole power 4 minus 1 into derivative of cos x. So this is just like x to the power of n, n into x power n minus 1 into derivative of, this is not x, but we feel this is an x, we treat as this is an x, into derivative of that part, that is cos x. So this is equal to 4 into cos cube x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, that is equal to minus cos cube x into sin x. Next one, you have to find the derivative of sin cube x into cos power 4x is equal to sin cube into cos power 4x. So this is UV form. UV. What the derivative of UV? Derivative of UV is first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. So this is sin cube x into derivative of cos power 4x plus cos power 4x into derivative of sin cube x. Okay, first function into derivative of second function into derivative of first function. So this is the derivative of uv. This is equal to sin cube x into derivative of, this is what? X to the power of n form. So see here, I take this sin cube x derivative, cos power 4x derivative. So x to the power of n. So don't write all these things. Simply you can write in one step. X to the power of n into x power n minus 1 into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. You can write it directly. Okay, x to the power of n into x power n minus 1, but is not x. We treat as cos x is x into derivative or assumption into d by dx of cos x plus cos power 4x into, this is x to the power of n into x power n minus 1 into derivative of sin x. So this is equal to sin cube x into 4 cos cube x, derivative of cos x is minus derivative of cos x minus sin x plus this is cos power 4x into 3 sin square x into derivative of cos sin x is cos x. So this is equal to minus 4 sin power sin cube x into sin x, sin power 4x into cos cube x plus, so this is 3 cos power, so this is 5x into sin square x. So this is the derivative of sin cube x into cos power 4x. Next one, derivative of tan square x tan square x into, so this is e power 2x or 3x, e power 3x. So this is also uv form, uv, first function into derivative of second function plus second function into d by dx of tan square x, that is tan x whole square. So this is equal to tan square x into, this is e power x form, e power x. We know the derivative of e power x is equal to e power x. But here it is not x, 3x. Treat 3x as x. So, what is the derivative of e power x? E power 3x into derivative of our 3x. You treat as x but not x. Into derivative of 3x means what? E power f of x, means e power f of x into derivative of f of x, where x, that is okay, sin x, cos x, tan x, e power x, a power x, these are all is same. Suppose sin of ax plus b or cos of ax plus b or e power ax, e power f of x or sin f of x or cos f of x. In this case, f of x is treated as x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of f of x is f of x. The derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of sin f of x is cos f of x into derivative of f of x. That is the meaning. Into derivative of 3x plus next to e power 3x into, this is x to the power of n, n into x power n minus 1 into derivative of tan x. So this is equal to tan square x e power 3x into derivative of 3x is 3, x derivative 1 plus e power, this is 3x, e power 3x into, so this is 2 tan x into derivative of tan x is secant square x, secant square x. So if you want to take e power 3x common and also tan x is also taking common. So the remaining part is, this is tan x 3. So this is 3 tan x plus this is 2 is there, 2 secant square x. So this is the derivative of the given function. You try some problems. Secant square x into 2 power x. Derivative of log of sin x into tan power 4x. Derivative of e power 3x into cos x. Derivative of root of sin x into root of, so this is, you can take tan x into e power 4x. Derivative of root of cos of root x. Now we have to find the derivative of all these functions. Next one, derivative of, find the derivative of a minus b cos x by a plus b cos x. So this is the derivative of u by v form. Derivative of u by v. V into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v by v square. So this is the derivative. Now this is v a plus b cos x into derivative of a minus b cos x minus u into, u means numerator, a minus b cos x into derivative of a plus b cos x by v square, where v is a plus b cos x whole square. A plus b cos x whole square. So this is equal to a plus b cos x into derivative. Derivative of a is 0. Derivative of, this is derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. This is 0. So the minus b into derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus a minus b cos x into derivative of a is 0. Derivative of b cos x is, so this is b sin x. derivative of cos x is minus sin x by, so this is a plus b cos x whole square. If you are multiplying minus of minus, this is plus b sin x into a, that is ab sin x. Next minus minus plus, so this is plus b into b is b square cos x into sin x. Next this minus and minus becomes plus, that is plus, so a into, so this is plus ab sin x. Next minus of plus, and this is what, minus, this is b square sin x into cos x by a plus b cos x whole square. Okay, b square cos x sin x, b square sin x cos x, both gets cancelled. ab sin x plus ab sin x, 2ab sin x by a plus b cos x whole square. So this is the derivative. Next one, derivative of log of x plus 2 by x minus 2. X plus 2 by x minus 2. We have log of a by b formula is log a minus log b. So this is a derivative of log a by b, log a minus log b, log a minus log b. That is, this is equal to derivative of log of x minus x plus 2 minus derivative of log of x minus 2. We have derivative of log x equal to what? 1 by x. So this is 1 by x plus 2 into derivative of x plus 2. So this is log x form, but not exactly log x. Log x form, derivative of log x is 1 by x. Treat as x, 1 by x into derivative of this, treat as x. X means x plus 2 minus 1 by x minus 2 into d by dx of x minus 2. So this is 1 by x plus 2. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of constant is 0. Minus 1 by x minus 2. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 2 is 0. So this is 1 by x plus 2 minus 1 by x minus 2. Okay, this is answer. Or if you want to take LCM, x plus 2 into x minus 2 LCM. So this is x minus 2 minus of x plus 2, x plus 2, that is equal to x minus 2 minus x minus 2 by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. There x gets cancelled, that is equal to minus 4 by x square minus 4. So this is the derivative of that. Next one, derivative of log of x square plus x plus 2 by x square minus x plus 2. You have to find the derivative of this. D by dx of 1 plus sin x by cos x. D by dx of 1 plus cos 2x by 1 minus cos 2x. D by dx of, so this is sin x by e power x. So these are all u by v form. These are all u by v form. So we're going to try these problems. Next one, derivative of sin inverse of x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of sin inverse of x. See here, let y is equal to sin inverse of x, or that is sin inverse of x equal to y. Implies x is equal to sin inverse, you can write that side, that becomes sin y. Okay, sin y. Let sin inverse x equal to y. Sin inverse of x equal to y. So x is equal to what? Sin y. X equal to sin y. Okay, na? Inverse, that becomes sin. Now differentiating with respect to y, that is d by dy of x, that is equal to d by dy of sin y. Derivative of x with respect to y means what? Dx by dy is equal to, derivative of sin y is cos y. Derivative of sin y is cos y. Therefore, dy by dx equal to what? Dy by dx reciprocal 1 by cos y. 1 by cos y. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos y can be written as 1 minus sin square y. 1 minus sin square y. Since cos square y plus sin square y is equal to 1. So, cos square y is equal to 1 minus sin square y. Cos y equal to root of. So, this is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus sin y is equal to what? Sin y is x. So, this is x square. So, d by dx of where y means what is y equal to? Sin inverse of x. So, derivative of sin inverse of x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So, derivative of sin inverse y is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So, similarly, derivative of cos inverse y is equal to derivative of cos inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Next one, derivative of tan inverse of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse of x. Let tan inverse of x is equal to y implies x is equal to, right that side, that is tan y. Now, differentiating with respect to y. So, this is dx by dy. Derivative of y with respect to derivative of x with respect to y. Dx by dy is equal to d by dy of tan y. Tan y. Now, derivative of tan y is what? Secant square y. So, this is dx by dy is equal to secant square y. So, dy by dx equal to 1 by secant square y. Now, we have 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. Therefore, 1 plus tan square, this is nothing but angle, y is equal to secant square y. Secant square y means that is equal to 1 by 1 plus tan square y. That is equal to dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus tan y. Tan y equal to what? X. So, tan square y is x square. Therefore, that is d by dx of where y means y equal to what? Tan inverse of x. Derivative of tan inverse of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So similarly, derivative of cot inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Minus 1 by 1 plus x square. And the derivative of secant inverse of x is equal to 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1. And the derivative of cosecant inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1. So we have these inverse trigonometric functions: derivative of sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, secant inverse x, cosecant inverse of x. Now we have find the derivative of sin inverse of e power x. Derivative of sin inverse of e power x. We have the derivative of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So it is e power x but not x. So this if you treat as x, then what is the derivative? 1 by root of 1 minus e power x whole square into derivative of, this is treat as x but not x, into derivative of this part, e power x. Okay, now this is 1 by root of 1 minus e power x into e power x, e power 2x. Derivative of e power x is e power x only. Next one, derivative of sin inverse of, this is sin inverse of x cube. So this is sin inverse of x form, treat as x. What is the derivative? 1 by root of 1 minus x cube whole square into derivative of this part, derivative of x cube. But this is not sin inverse x. Sin inverse x form. Sin inverse x. But not x, this is x cube. 1 by root of 1 minus x square into derivative of what you assuming, this becomes x into derivative of that assumption. 1 by root of 1 minus x power 6 into 3x square. That is the derivative. Now we try some problems. Sin inverse of log x. Derivative of cos inverse of root x. Derivative of tan inverse of x power 5. Derivative of tan inverse of e power x. Derivative of tan inverse of x to the power of, this is root x. Okay now. So by using this, you have to find the derivative of these functions. Okay, thank you.